Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today I'm looking at the Portable Kitchen PK TX grill. I've had a look at the PK 360, the big brother to this grill, in a previous video, but I'd also like to take a look at the PK TX, which is a slightly smaller grill. It's a bit more portable, ideal for home or camping. I've been doing a bit of cooking on it and I'm really impressed so far. Again, it's got the trademark cast aluminium shell. This one is in a sexy red colour. I really like it, looks great. Everything feels very sturdy. There's vents on the top here, simple sliders on this one. They let all the combustion gases out. On the rear here, there's a nice tell-true thermometer. Okay, let's have a look on the inside. Nice sturdy handle. The hinges just hold it solid. You can see it started to season up nicely on the inside. It feels a bit lighter weight, you know, than the 360, but they're still pretty solid and sturdy, and they do a great thing for a smaller size grill. Okay, you can remove these, and then underneath you've got your charcoal grate. You can see where I've been using it. When you shut those vents down, because you get a really nice seal between the casing, literally you just shut the vents down and it snuffs the charcoal out, just like you would in a ceramic grill. So it's got a lot of the similarities to cooking on a ceramic grill. But what's nice is it's got this like rectangle shape, so you can set up a direct and an indirect zone, and you can adjust the vents to give you a lot of control. There's air inlet vents on the bottom here, and you just, again, simple sliders, you can move those across. You can have like heat zone, so you can have your hot zone and then your food over here. Open the vent above that, and that gives you a nice flow of heat through the grill, which makes for great cooking, I found. This one comes on like a cart, so this slides forward the table, and then you can lift the grill out, folds down, and carry this on here like that. That is pretty cool. How you can have this set up as well is on this PK Go frame here, and it simply lifts and places in there like that, and then you've got a nice tabletop grill. So there's a lot of options with this grill, and that's what makes it very exciting, is the portability. Very highly regarded grill, great to use. I've been having a great lot of fun on it, and I'm looking forward to taking this camping and adventuring with my family. So nice simple technology, it's never going to go wrong, it's always going to be there for you when you need it, which I quite like. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you've got any questions about the grill, then ask in the comments box below. Tell me what you think about these grills if you've used them. I'd love to know your thoughts, and if you like what I do here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, smash that subscribe box over there. Cheers.